This is the cabin filter, so I'm gonna change this for my car. I just bought it from Rapco. It's a cabin filter. This filter is located just right under the steering wheel, and then next to the this is the parking brake. So next to the parking brake, just in there. So I'm going to pull this up, just this one, and then open this just like this. Just come out like this, and then the filter, it's inside. So I'm just taking out the filter from there. It's a little bit hard. Just like this. Filter looks good. The filter is just like this. There is not much rubbish in there or dust. Anyway, I'm gonna change it to the new one. So just take this out from the box, and then it's the same size, but this the groups is like other directions, but that's fine. I'm going to put it back, the new one I'm going to put in there. So now I'm going to put it back in there, just like this. As how I opened the other one, I'm just going to put it back. It's a little bit hard, but anyway, I have to make it. So just like this, I just put this in, make it position inside. Yeah, I put it back now. Put that cover one as it was before. So just putting this like this. Yes. It's done. So I have changed this cabin filter for my Nissan X-Trail 2017 T32 4-wheel drive. Thanks for watching.